Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this NAKOOS solder fume extractor. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this fume extractor also has some built-in helping hands. I think that's a nice feature. So these are the clamps for the helping hands. These are the arms for the helping hands. These are spare carbon filters, and here's the fan itself. And this fan is very heavy. I like that. So it feels very sturdy. It's a metal case, has a metal handle on it, has a switch on the cord. So this comes with a spare clamp that goes in the end here, and we'll thread in the knurled knob to tighten it down. So this can be rotated and tightened down. So on this flexible arm, the other end is threaded, and that will thread into the side of the fan. So I could use a wrench to tighten that further. So let's look at the rest of this. Here's the fan. So it's a 0.25 amp fan, and it looks like to replace the filter I just pulled out the front here and slide the new one in. So let's talk about some of the specs here from the Amazon description. It says that it's ESD safe, so that's static discharge safe. The fan is 3,300 revolutions per minute, supports 5,000 hours lifetime, has 2 replaceable filters, it captures particles larger than 5 micrometers. So the cord length on this is about 4.5 feet. So I'm going to plug this in. So I'm going to turn this on. I'm going to face the microphone towards it so you can hear the sound coming out of it. So that took a minute to ramp up, but it felt very powerful. So I have some wires I'm going to solder here so we can demonstrate this sucking the smoke away. So I'm going to speed this up here a little bit, and I'm probably not going to talk, but you can just see the visuals. Okay, so I did 3 different tests there. The first one I soldered without the fan on, and you can see the smoke rising up. Then I turned the fan on, you could see it drawing the smoke in. Then I turned it sideways, so you could see the smoke was going in, and the smoke wasn't coming out the other side, meaning that the filter was capturing it. And you can see a little bit of a light spot here on the filter. So if you're getting into soldering, I highly recommend one of these fume extractors. I've never had one of these, although I know I should have had one. And I've been wanting to teach my kid how to solder, but I wasn't going to teach him until I had a fume extractor. Now that I have one, I can teach him. In the past, I've put a fan up behind my work and kind of blown it out into the room. This is nice because it has that carbon filter that captures it. This does make some noise. It doesn't bother me a lot. You can always wear headphones if it bothers you. I mean, different people are sensitive to different levels of noise. It didn't hurt my ears. Now, if I was working with this 8 hours a day, I might want some headphones on. I'd probably actually just be listening to music or something with some earbuds, but I didn't find it to be annoying or anything. So I like that this comes with built-in helping hands. This is heavy, so these are relatively sturdy. So you could use these with these helping hands, or you could use your other helping hands along with this. But if you don't have helping hands, or maybe you're going somewhere and you want to be portable, this has those helping hands built in. I think that's a really nice feature. I like the size of this. It makes it very portable. If you unscrew these helping hands, this will easily fit in a small case. And you can fold these helping hands up against the case too if you want to leave them attached. So that's the NAKOOS solder fume extractor with helping hands. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.